Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just like Windows 11, Microsoft is finalizing our next optional bug fix C-release update for Windows 10, version 22H2, which will be build 19045.4116, and the update will be KB5034843, which is currently undergoing its final testing with the release preview channel insiders who are on Windows 10 version 22H2. So as I mentioned earlier today, we can expect the optional bug fix update, I would say, to start rolling out on the 27th, which will be the last Tuesday of this month, February 2024. Now, when it comes to a bug fix update, this is actually a small update. It only includes 6 bug fixes, which for a C-release update is quite a minimal update when it comes to issues that have been addressed. But it does include 2 new features. And once again, this is another indication that Microsoft is now putting a little bit more attention onto Windows 10, and it's getting 2 new Windows 11 features. And the first one is that the update will add the desktop spotlight to your desktop background. And that's going to be coming now to Windows 10. And I took 1 or 2 screenshots from Windows 11 just to give you an idea if you don't know what I'm talking about. So what you'll see when the update rolls out in a couple of days' time, you'll get the desktop spotlight icon. I enlarged this so you could just see it a little bit better in the screenshot. And then, as many of you know, if you click on that or you right click on that, it opens up the fly out menu where you can choose your different Bing images of the day. You can give the image a thumbs up or a thumbs down. You can check out some more info regarding each image. And then you can also learn more, and that will take you over to Microsoft Bing, where you can learn a little bit more regarding that image, just to give you some examples. So Desktop Spotlight is on its way now to Windows 10, and I actually think it's about time. I use Microsoft Bing Wallpaper Changer because we don't have desktop Spotlight on Windows 10, so this is actually quite good news for me because I quite enjoy the Spotlight for desktop that you currently get over on Windows 11. So that's the first. And then the next new feature is if you are using Windows Share, which is nearby sharing, and this one's also making its way from Windows 11 now into Windows 10. So 2 new Windows 11 features. So using Windows Share, you will be able to directly share URLs to apps like WhatsApp, Gmail, Facebook, LinkedIn, sharing to X, and that's coming soon apparently. Sharing to X, formerly known as Twitter, Microsoft, that is coming soon. So 2 Windows 11 features now that we will see start rolling out in our next optional bug fix update. Now, if you do want to stick around, just to pull out 3 of the bug fixes that you may find of benefit. The first is the update affects games you install on a secondary drive. Now they will remain installed on the drive, so that's a small yet significant fix if you are a gamer. And it addresses an issue that affects Microsoft Edge. The UI apparently was wrong for Internet Options data settings, and that addresses an issue that affects the Japanese input method editor, IME. Apparently it failed to work for custom desktops. So that's more or less, that's just some of the key highlights with the 2 new features. As mentioned, just 6 bug fixes rolling out, but no mention yet of the fix for the now infamous update. So if you just head over to our Windows Update page quickly, Update History, which was rolled out to address BitLocker recovery issues with the Windows recovery environment, which was KB5034843. Nothing yet about the fix for this, but as I mentioned in a previous video, which I'll leave down below, in case you'd like to play catch up regarding the issues with this update that rolled out with the Patch Tuesday security update for January of this year. This, I think, the fix for this will be released as a standalone update because this was a standalone update that did roll out. So I think the fix will be the same. It won't be part of the cumulative updates. It'll be its own security update. So we hope Microsoft rolls out a fix for that sooner than later, but still no fix for that. And that's more or less what we can expect to see now with our next optional bug fix update, 5034843, which is currently in its final stages of testing in the release preview channel and will be rolling out over the next couple of days for Windows 10. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.